Welcome back, readers. It's time for our next reading skills lesson. Let's start like we did last time, where we're segmenting the sounds we hear in words. So I'm going to pound a whole word in my fist, and then we're going to segment or break it into its tiniest little sounds. Let's start with the word goat. Goat. G-O-T. How many sounds? Show me with your fingers. 3 sounds. The next word is at. At. 2 sounds in the word at. How about the word fish? Pound it with me. Fish. F-I-sh. 3 sounds in the word fish. Let's do one more. How about the word if? If. If. 2 sounds in the word if. Good job with segmenting the sounds in words. In the last lesson, we added the N sound. We're going to add a new sound today. The sound is listen again. Look at the shape of my mouth and listen for that breath that's coming out of my mouth. I could even put my hand in front of my mouth and feel the sound that makes. A little puff of air lands on my hand. Give it a try. That's the sound. There are many words that begin with the sound, like hat, him, hut, high, and house. Let's play a riddle game. I'm going to give you some clues, and you need to think of the answer. Every answer will begin with the sound. Here we go. I'm thinking of a piece of clothing you wear on your head when it's cold outside. It keeps your head warm. It's a hat. I'm thinking of the way you feel when you haven't eaten for a long time. Hungry. I'm thinking of a part of your body where your fingers are. That's your hand. Here's the next clue. This is a word you say to someone when you see them for the first time. Hi or hello. Let's do one more. This is sort of a part of your body. It grows out of your head. It might be long, it might be short. Sometimes you have to go get it cut. Hair. Let's look at the picture we draw to represent the sound. It's letter H. Here's uppercase H and lowercase h. Uppercase H is 2 big lines and 1 little line across. Big line down, little line across. Do that on the rug in front of you with your finger. Big line down, little line across. Lowercase h is another letter that dives into the swimming pool and swims up and over. But this time, you're not on the low diving board, you're on the high diving board. You're starting up tall. So dive down, swim up and over, stop. Let's do that again. Dive down, whoops. Dive down, swim up and over, stop. Do that with your finger on the carpet in front of you. Dive down, swim up and over, stop. Letter H says, you won't believe how many words you can read now, especially ones that begin with the sound. First, I want to make sure you notice the difference between and n. The H is tall. The N is small. Do you notice how the H has a tall, big line at the back of it? And the N is almost the same. It's just that its stem is short. It's not very tall. It's small. Okay, let's read some words together. Add. Blend it together. Add. Had. At. At. Hat. We're going to change our vowel sound to I. It. Hit. Hit, like you're hitting a baseball. Id. Blend it. Hid. I hid under the bed when I was playing hide and seek. Let's change the vowel sound this time. Ah is our middle sound. Ought. Ought. Hot. Good job. And last one. Og. Og. Hog. The last part of today's lesson is to read these words on this board. Each time we go down the ladder, we're just making one little change. Let's read the first word. Him. Him. Now we're going to change that beginning sound. Dim. Dim. Let's change the ending sound. Ig. Dig. And this time we're going to change the ending sound again. Id. Did. Now change the vowel sound in the middle. Add. Add. Dad. Awesome job, friends. Keep up the good work. I'm super proud of you.